नमस्कार। स्वागत है आप सबका यूट्यूब चैनल इकोनॉमिक्स विथ मनीष पर। हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था कंप्लीट सिलेबस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स इन द सोशल साइंस। सो हियर वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉपिक 1, building blocks in the economics, and here we will discuss few topics. Explain meaning of scarcity, choice and opportunity cost in everyday life and economic decision making. So here we will discuss three topics. First we will discuss meaning of economics. As we know that economics definition is given by different economists in different way, but very common definition is that economics is the study of economics is the study of human behavior. So basically we can say that here our wants is unlimited. Wants is unlimited and resources to fulfill this want is limited. So how we are managing these things, how we are satisfying, how we are fulfilling our needs with limited resources. This is actually a kind of economics. So in simple term, in the other definition, you can say that economics is the study of economics is the study of scarcity, choice, and use of resources to satisfy human wants. Now in our NCERT, our topic is meaning of scarcity. First topic is meaning of scarcity. Scarcity means, the literal meaning of scarcity is limited things or limitation. Limited things, or you can say that resources. So we can say that limited resources. Limited resources, but we at the same time we know that wants are unlimited. Wants are unlimited. We have so many things to do, but we do not have sufficient resource to fulfill these wants. So there is a gap. So there is a gap between resource and human wants. There is a gap between resource and human wants. So this term, this complete explanation, this complete statement considered as the scarcity. Scarcity means technically limitation of resources as compared to human wants. As compared to human wants. What are the resources for human being? The basic resources are money, time is a kind of resource, water is the resource, land is the resource, labor is the resource, natural raw materials are the resource, etc. So we have, these are the resources. We have limited resource, means limited money, limited time, limited water, limited land, limited labor, and limited natural raw materials or natural minerals, whatever you want to say. तो दिस इज व्हाट स्कार्सिटी. स्कार्सिटी मीन्स क्या, कि जो आपका रिसोर्स है और आपका जो ह्यूमन नीड्स है, दोनों के बीच एक गैप है. मीन्स you cannot fulfill all your needs, you cannot fulfill all your wants, so you have to use your resources very wisely, very sincerely, in optimum way, so that you can satisfy your maximum needs and maximum wants with your limited resources, because there is a scarcity, there is a limitation of the resources. I hope now you understand why this scarcity arise. Why does scarcity arise? Means why this scarcity is there? The very first reason is that human wants keep increasing. Human wants keep increasing. It means every day our wants is increasing, every day our needs is increasing, but our limited resources is not increasing in the proportionate way. Okay, so there is a problem, there is a gap, there is a there is some kinds of gap is there between your increasing wants and resources. This is the reason scarcity arises, scarcity came. Second one is that resources are available in limited quantity. Limited resources. So basically two things are there, because of these two things scarcity used to came, scarcity arise. First one is human wants is increasing and resources are limited. Now, so in the economics we can say that scarcity is the basic economic problem. You can say that scarcity is the basic economic problem. Okay, so scarcity is what, a kind of problem. Why it is problem? Because you cannot increase the resources, you cannot fulfill all your needs, so there is a problem. If there is a scarcity, if there is a scarcity and resources are limited, so you have to make a choice. We can say that because of scarcity we must make we must make choice. We must make choice, and this choice is our next topic. So we'll discuss what is the meaning of choice. Choice is what? What is the meaning of choice? Selecting one option and giving up another, giving one another option because resources are limited. For example, let's say you have rupees 100, or you can say that rupees 1000. For example, you have 1000 rupees, and with 1000 rupees you have two options. Is what you can purchase shoes, or you can buy a movie ticket. So now you have to make a choice. Either you will select shoes, or you will go for movie ticket. So what you are doing here, you are just making a choice. You are selecting one option because your resource is what limited. You have only 1000 rupees. So with the help of only 1000 rupees you cannot do both things. So you have to just select one. So if you are selecting one, that is what choice. If you are going for the shoes, so you can say that this is what economic choice. You are making an economic choice. Next thing is what, whenever you are making a choice, right, means whenever you are making a choice, then you are giving up another another available options another available options. And this process leads to an opportunity cost. Now we'll discuss what, our next topic is what, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Now what is the opportunity cost? For example, right, let's say person person A has two options. Option one is that person A can earn 40,000 per month, and second option is that he can earn 35,000 per month. Now person A has two opportunity. Opportunity one is that 40,000 he can work in a banking sector or any other sectors. Per option B is that he can earn 35,000 rupees somewhere else. Now person A is having two options, two opportunity. हम इसको इस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं कि पर्सन ए के पास दो ऑप्शन है. पहला 40,000 रुपये पर मंथ, 40,000 रुपीज पर मंथ. सेकेंड इज 35,000 रुपीज पर मंथ. यहाँ पे दोनों ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी, काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द पर्सन ए टू वर्क आइदर at 40,000 rupees or 35,000 rupees. But if the person A is going for 40,000 rupees, so next best option available is 35,000 rupees that will be given up by the person A. This complete process is known as the opportunity cost. So what is the opportunity cost? Then what is the opportunity cost? Opportunity cost is what? The value of next best alternative foregone. Opportunity cost means what? Value of next best alternative foregone. Value of next best alternative foregone. It was opportunity. What is the next best alternative? Next best alternative is 35,000 rupees. This is foregone, give up by the person A. This value 35,000 is known as opportunity cost for person A. Opportunity cost for person A, because it was an opportunity for person A to work with 40 or 35,000 rupees, but he give up the 35,000 rupees and working for this 40,000 rupees. So this was the next best alternative for person A, and now he or she gave up or foregone. This is known as opportunity cost. For example, a student has a student has 1 hours free. Suppose a student has 1 hour. Now a student can do, let's say, two things: study economics, or second thing is he can do playing football. Now, if a student A is going for the study, let's say student wants to do the study, then what was the, even though the student having two options, what is the opportunity for a student? Study economics or playing football. Both are the opportunity, but student is going for study, then he is giving up playing football. So opportunity cost for person A is equal to playing football. That is opportunity cost. I hope now you understand the three things we discussed today: scarcity, second is choice, third is opportunity cost. These three topics we discussed. Thank you so much.